Oh, I'm expecting a very friendly match. I don't want to see any injuries or anybody getting hurt. So.
For the match, I hope we win. Obviously. To win. We are here to win.
Kenke.
For the match.
What's it?
What's your expectation for the
Boss, yeah.
What's your expectation for the match? Expectation for the match. Just watch us. Expectation for the match.
That we are going to win.
Oh, wow. Hey, Captain, what's your expectation for the match?
Captain, by the way.
Eh?
I'm not the captain.
Who is the captain?
I'm hoping for the best. We are good, so you know. We are winning, of course.
What's your expectation for the
Oh,
match?
I was expecting something fantabulous and fireful.
A few moments later.
Touch it.
As you can see, our guys have been beaten, but we support them regardless.
If they're able to score even one goal, we'll give them the trophy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.